I'm sure you've heard the news. Yawning is totally contagious. But have you ever stopped to ask why? Let's dive into the science behind this sleepy mystery. Yawning isn't just about being tired or bored. Scientists think it actually helps cool down your brain and keeps you alert. But here's where it gets weird. Yawning is super contagious. If you see or even hear someone yawn, chances are you'll do it too. Why? One theory is that it's tied to empathy. Humans, and even some animals like chimps and dogs, yawn when they see friends yawn, which might help groups stay alert together. So next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's not just about sleepiness. It's your brain's way of saying, let's stay sharp, together. Did you yawn while watching this? Let me know in the comments.